Pratik, so can you tell us a bit about your background, like family background, how and when you were introduced to football?
Hi, I'm Ajit. My father does driving. My mother is housewife. I have one sibling. And I first started playing at the age of 6 or 7. I was playing in the local in our village, and from them I learned a lot. And then I started playing football, joined grassroots.
At FC Goa, what have been your key learnings that have helped you as a footballer as well as a human being? Because any piece from, like piece of advice from the coaches that you may remember, like very distantly.
Yeah, at FCGO I learned a lot. I was here since 12, so I learned a lot from the coaches and from the people and everyone to be as a good player, to be a good person also. And the way we play, the way we keep the ball, the way we think. I got advice from the coach that you have to think faster than think the next action before. And now I got one advice which I keep in mind that keep going. Anything happens, just forget it and keep going to the next action.
Can you describe the moment when you made your ISL debut?
Yeah, it was a little nervous first of all when I was coming up and coach told my name. I was coming from the warm up. It was a bit nervous, but everybody was supportive and like in the game also they were supporting me, so I could do little better. They were giving me options and all that, and everybody is motivating and all that. So it
Uh,
was easy for me to do.
Head coach of the national team and FC Goa, Manolo Marquez, he said in an interview that you have your head in the right place and that you know that you need to improve in several aspects of the game. So, how do you plan to utilize this game in RFDL to improve on those skills?
Yeah, he tells me about what I need to improve in training and what are my strengths and what I need to improve. Here in RFDL, we can the games are a lot more intensive and we can show what we are. The level is quite high because the top teams in India are here. So we are just trying to do our best, and the team is doing good. But yes, this match we did good. Even last match we did good, and now we are starting to getting the results. We will continue to work.
Like you mentioned, the competitiveness in the tournament RFDL is very high because a lot of top teams in India playing. There have been a lot of scouts from other teams who have been coming up. There's Bengaluru FC, Punjab FC, other teams coming up. So naturally, the players from other teams are also giving their 100%. So how do you see this competition in that sense?
Yeah, this competition is really nice for young player development because from this tournament, players can move in the first team and show what they can do and what they are capable of. Even in the first team, coach and all the scouts who come here, they can show, they can fight, they can play with the ball, they can impress them, and hopefully they can get into some sport. Yeah, it's really good for young players.
Where do you see yourself in the next 5 years?
In the next 5 years, I want to be in the national team first and try to be a regular player in the ISL or some top division in some other place also. Yeah, I'll try to do this.
And lastly, which senior player do you look up to in FC Goa or in Indian football? Across?
I was looking up to Brandon, but when I promoted this season, I'm going to the senior team, but he's not there this season. But everybody in the senior team, I learn a lot from them. I can learn still. Everybody is supportive. Everybody is giving me instruction when I'm doing good things, bad things, and yeah, in the team, no one person. Like everybody is good. Some players have some other qualities. I'll try to take whatever is good from.
Yes, sir. Thank you very much.
Thank you.